guys, welcome or welcome back. I am Shlagha and today I am back for all my gorgeous beauties out there who are makeup enthusiasts or makeup fanatics or makeup amateurs. I'm right here for all of you. Today I'll be teaching you how to do contour, blush and highlight onto your face. A lot of people have requested me to do this, so I'm right here telling you this. I know थोड़ा daunting sound करता है, थोड़ा ऐसा लगता है oh my god कितना rocket science है, but ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Like everything else, makeup is only for fun and whatever you do is right. So there is no wrong way to go about it. But I'm sharing some techniques with you today how to place all these 3 products onto your face. So if you're interested, please carry on with your video and let me dive right into it. So how we are going to do it today is I'm going to do all the things on this side of the face and keep this side of the face bare ताकि आप लोगों को difference पता चले. तो हाँ, to begin with, even though there is nothing right and wrong in makeup, like ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि this is the hard and fast rule, but there is a basic chronology that you follow. So once you're done with your base, if you prefer doing eye makeup before, if you're done with the eye makeup, now is the time to add color to your face. So the first step is contouring. So what is contouring? As the word suggests, it adds a contour onto your face. It gives your face a false chisel look, you know. आप shadows को enhance करते हैं आपके face में ताकि आपका face shape में दिखाई दे. Now, to do that, you see there is a general shadow on your cheekbone. So when you make a pout, when you make a duck face, we do it for more than selfies. It is used for other things as well. So when you do this, you see how there is a shadow that is created. So this line is what you have to follow to create a chisel sort of a look. So I have something which is called a natural contour, which is pretty lucky for me because that's my helping line. So what the contours that I have today is the Wet n Wild contour palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and this is the Nykaa contour and highlight palette in the shade Sizzle Chisel 1. I prefer using the Wet n Wild. It's a nice shade. So a contour is a brown, it could be a powder or it could be a liquid. It is darker to your skin tone to make it look like a false shadow, as I said. And it shouldn't be very dark, but it should be at least 3 shades darker than your foundation color or your skin tone. So for contour, you generally use a angled brush. You see how this is not straight, it's at an angle. So that it fits the face perfectly. There is no ups and downs which you have to go to. It just fits the face perfectly. So alright, so for contour, how do you do it? The basic rule is from the top of your ear till your lip corner. You see, you create a false line like this. And if you can't create something like this can differ to each face, but this is just a very basic rule. I'm not giving you a makeup artist level of this thing, but this is what the basic rule you follow from the top of your ear till the lip. So I will use the contour. This is the contour that I used. Took it on the brush, dusted off the excess, and make the duck face. You just go till midway, okay, and you go in a upward and outward motion. You don't place it sturdily. Just hold your brush at a little, थोड़ा पीछे से पकड़ो ताकि बहुत वो ना हो, height pressure ना बने, and you just do this. You see, and you go a little above so that it does not look like an isolated piece of this thing. You see, now when you see it at the front of it, you see how this looked a little chiseled. It looks like I have a shape here, which I clearly don't, and this does not. It's wrong. It's absolutely wrong. Now the other places where you place a contour are your jawline, again to enhance, to give that chiseled jaw look. Again, you take some on the brush and you stretch your neck up, and ये जो आपका line बनता है, just enhance it. Okay, you don't do too much here, but just to add a little. So a little goes a long way, you know, when you're not going for a very major look. And the tip for anything beauty related, any makeup related, it could be foundation, concealer, eye makeup, anything, is blend well. It should not look like a streak. It has to be blended well, pretty good. Okay. Now another place for contour placement, if you have a broad forehead, you put it near your hairline. I don't have that, but I'll show you. So I've taken some and you just do this. This is all to give a false look, you know. This is only to enhance the shadows onto the face, जहाँ भी create होते हैं. Now people do nose contouring also, which is on the आपका bridge of the nose का जो edges है वहाँ you make a contour line so that the nose looks sleeker. I don't do that, but I can teach you how to do that with a fluffy brush. If you don't have a thin brush, I understand, absolutely okay. So what you do is you squeeze in the brush like this. Okay, becomes like a thinner line. Take some product and you just go in and out for it and match it to your eyebrow here. ताकि again it should not look कि oh suddenly कुछ आ गया. It has to blend in seamlessly. That's the whole idea of doing makeup, right? All right. So now for contour, I don't know if you can see it. I can pretty well see it. That this side looks chiseled as compared to this side. Even the jawline. That. Now moving on to the next step, which is the placement of blush. I'm using the Wet n Wild color icon in the shade Mellow Wine. Now this blush is very good for somebody with my skin tones. I'm a little on the deeper skin tone, and हमारे skin पे generally the bright pinks don't look very good. But I have tried that also in the daytime in summer when you're wearing something floral. That pink can give a very nice natural flushed look. But this is something that I really like using on a daily basis. So it's like a maroonish sort of a color. Now इसका जो brush होता है I don't like. So for the blush you use a fluffier brush. It's absolutely a straight brush. Even though this is a very dense brush, you can use a fluffy brush as well. Not to worry about it. Now again, blushes can be liquid blushes or powder blushes. I prefer using powder blushes because they're easier to work with. तो आप लगा के आराम से कर सकते हैं. Now for the blush placement, there are it's very important to know what is the shape of your face. So for somebody who has a round face like myself, because I personally feel भगवान जी ने ऐसे कम फेस लेके ऐसे बना. But if you have a round face, the blush has to be placed in an upward motion. So right above the contour is where you place the blush. A lot of people think that blush का मतलब apple पे ऐसे ऐसे लगा लो. उससे it just gives a plumper look. Okay. So for my face type, I'll show you how to do it. But if you are somebody who has a leaner face and you just want to give it a nice little plumpy, little blushy look, so the rule obviously is smile. These are the cheekbones, and you apply the blush here. You don't go upward if you have a thinner face. You go upward only if you have a medium face or a broader face or a rounder face. That's how the blush rule works. Now you also add blush to the nose because उससे एक ऐसा natural blush look आता है. How if somebody compliments you and you start blushing, that sort of a natural look comes. So again, for the blush, this is a nice pink blush. Sorry, I've taken some on my brush. Now blush बहुत pigmented होता है, so be very careful when you use it. Now I'm going to smile and I'm going to start placing it upward. So this is where I contoured and this is how I will place it. Once placed, you blend it in. Again, never be too heavy with the product usage. Little is more. Less goes a long way, and that's the rule that you should always remember. So smile, give a nice smile and add the blush. Now you see this side versus this side. How flat is this looking because there is no color onto it. But this side has contour, has blush, so it sort of gives a nice मतलब ऐसा थोड़ा awake look है, ऐसा dead है इधर तो, but इधर everything is awake and it looks nice. I know you can see my scars and you can see that, but I don't like a full coverage look. I like that my skin peeps through the makeup because it gives a nice natural feel to it. शादी वादी पे जाती हूँ, then that is when I apply like a solid face of foundation. But when it's a natural this thing, I like leaving scars. Moving on to the next and the final step, that is highlight. Alright, so what is highlight? Highlight is, as the word suggests, is highlighting the high points of your face. Now what are the high points of your face? If you look right straight, like if you look into a light source or if you see your face bang into the mirror and all, you see there are certain places जहाँ light hit कर रही है. You see how light is hitting up. My light is here. You see how light is hitting here. It is hitting here. It hits here and it hits here. These are the high points of your face. जहाँ आपका light is directly hitting your face are the places where you put highlight. Now the idea behind it is that when you go out, when you're going for a party or something, somebody puts a light on you. That could be photographer, that could be general light. It shines. It just gives a nice radiant look. Now, a lot of people like a lot of highlighter. I am not one of those. I am somebody who likes to keep it very, very subtle into it. But of course, to each its own. If you like a lot of highlighter, do use it. So for highlighter, I have this Wet n Wild Illuminator. This is like in a stick, creamy formula. It's a nice stick. And the other is that Nykaa contour thing that I told you. It has a nice highlighter in it as well. So I think for a brighter look, I'm going to use this. It's highly, highly pigmented. This is how it looks. I'll show you a little swatch. You see how bright this is? I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. So this is what the highlighter is. So for highlighter, I don't use a brush. I use my third finger, good old. बहुत अच्छे से placement होता है. So the places where you put highlighting is, it is done over your eyebrow, like in here. It is done here, which is the basic place जहाँ light hit करती है. It is done on the tip of your nose and on your chin. These are the places where you put the highlight. I also like to put a little highlight on the inner corner of my eye. That just gives my eye a opener look, like it opens up the eye. I also put a very little amount under the curve of the eyebrow, like this area here. I put it here. So I'll show you how I do it. No rocket science. Again, powder or this, I can mix also if you want. Actually, I can mix, you know. So I'm taking this, I'm taking a little product onto my finger and I'm just going to apply it in an upward motion. If finger is not helping you blend in well, you can use that same blush brush. You see, such a pretty color, such a pretty highlight. I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose as well. A little onto the chinny chin and little. This is where the basic highlight and everything is put, and under the curve of the eyebrow. This is very, very subtle, but I like it that way. And I'm going to also just take a little bit and place it on the inner corner of my eye. So I am going to top this off with the powder just to show you how both of them in tandem can also work. So I'm taking this a little bit. So this can be in champagne color, it can be little goldenish, it can be little silverish, not to worry. This is the product I have taken. इधर तो काफी लग गया है I feel. Again, everything has to blend in very, very well. You see this? So after contouring, blushing and highlight, this is what the before looked like. This is my face without any color onto it, and this is the after. This is after contour, after blush and after highlight. I hope you can see it, and I think it looks really, really pretty. Don't you agree? Alright, so that does it for today's video. I genuinely hope you found this useful, because I have heard a lot of people say that they don't know how to place a contour or a highlight or a blush onto their face. I genuinely hope that this was useful and something that you've been looking for. If there are any questions related to any of these things, please drop them down in the comment box below, and I will definitely get back to you. You can also DM if you don't feel like commenting. I will definitely reply to those. Other than that, if you have any other video idea, which as per usual is my request, kindly drop them down. A quick little announcement or a reminder or a notice is that I'll be missing for the next 2-3 weeks because I'm going out of station, but I will be back soon before Diwali to give you all a nice kickstart to the Diwali season and how to get ready for that. So yes, I hope you're doing well, keeping safe. Take care of yourself. Loads of love. Bye.